Good morning, students. From today, I'm going to start the third semester of housekeeping departments. Now, I will teach you the housekeeping departments and syllabus I will start is from third semester as your third semester is going on. So, third semester's first chapter is linen room. Linen rooms you have already discussed and studied about the linen room. Linen room is a room where we collect all the linens and disperse through this room. So you can also say that the linen room is the center stage to supporting the role of housekeeping department, which plays an pivotal role in the hospitality industry, in the hotel industry. Basically, most of properties linen rooms are centralized, but in some of the hotels it may also be decentralized, means it may also segregated through the floors also. So usually on each floor, as per stock is maintained. A par stock means the minimum number of quantities which is required is known as a par stock. So usually on each floor a par stock is maintained. And basically we also need to know that what is linen. Linen is a type of cloth which is made through the fiber, means the fabrics of linen is made through the fiber, and fiber is derived from the stem of the flax plant. So linen means all the clothes which is launderable, means all the articles which is launderable is known as linen, and it maybe includes pillows, mattress, shower curtains, fabric lampshades, etc. Now, what are the activities which is performed through the linen room? So first is collection and transportation of linens, means collection is done and transportation towards the laundry is done through the linen room, where we can use the canvas bags, trolleys, collapsible wire, etc. to collect also, and to transportation towards the laundry room also, where the laundry is as on contract service. In those type of hotels, the linen room is used to collect the guest laundry also. Second is sorting and counting. Here what we are doing is we sort the linens as per the stain on the cloths, and also we count the linens because it may be possible that the the clothes may be exchanged through the various departments. So we must keep the records, and to maintain the records we count the linen collected through the laundries. The next point is packaging. Linens are packed in the canvas bags to prevent the damage of the linen articles. Those, those articles that need mending and those which are heavily stained may be segregated and put into separate canvas, means we again use sorting while packaging the linens. So here we can also use the color coding, so we can easily sort them, and after sorting we can package them for the transportation. Thank you.